Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my pages. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share, and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload ng mga videos na mayroong mga gandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito yung 1/2 dinar ng Jordan na si Abdullah Dasikan. Mayroong taon na 2000. Share ko lang sa inyo guys ang short history nito at ang kanyang value dahil napakataas ang bintahan nito guys sa ating selling online sa eBay. Ito yung kanyang history guys. In 1927, the British administration of the Palestinian mandate established the Palestine currency. Forthwith the issued the Palestine pound, which was the official currency in both mandatory Palestine and the Emirates of Transjordan. Thought the Jordan become an independent kingdom on 25 May 1946. It continued to the use the Palestinian pound for a while. In 1949, it passed the Provisional Act number 35 of 1949, which established the Jordan Currency Board as the sole authority in the kingdom entitled to issue Jordanian dinar. The board was based in the London and consisted of a president and 4 members, and began issuing Jordanian dinars in 1949 and was exchangeable for Palestinian pound at parity. After Jordanian occupation of the West Bank in April 1950, the dinar replaced the Palestinian pound. On 1 of July 1950, the Jordanian dinar became the kingdom's official currency and legal tender. The use of the Palestinian pound ceased in the country on 30 of September 1950. The Central Bank of Jordan was established in 1959 and took over the note production in 1964. In 1967, Jordan lost control of the West Bank, but the Jordanian dinar continued to be used there. It continues to be widely used in the West Bank alongside the Israeli shekel. In 1988 and 1989, the dinar fell in the value due to the mounting foreign debts in the kingdom. During that time, there were protests across the country. Ito yung tinatawag na 1/2 dinar guys na Abdullah Dasikan, mayroong taon na 2000. Ito yung kanyang issuers guys, ang Jordan King Abdullah Dasikan bin Al Hussein, 1999 kanyang date. Mayroon siyang type na standard circulation coin, may year na 1421, 1442, 2000 hanggang 2020. Ang kalendar naman ito guys ay Islamic Hijri. Value 1/2 dinar, 40 pesos sa Pilipinas guys. Currency naman ito ay dinar, 1949. Ang composition ay bimetallic, copper nickel ang center and brass ring. May timbang na 9.67 grams. Diameter naman ay 29 mm. Ang thickness ay 2 mm at ang kanyang shape ay equilateral curved heptagon. Mayroon siyang 7-sided. Ang technique dito guys ay mild. Mayroon siyang orientation na middle alignment. Mayroon siyang number na A number 6283. At ang kanyang reference number naman ay KM number 79 and shoe number 81. Ito yung ating overs guys. Ang inner desk contains portrait facing right within the circle of Abdullah Dasikan, LBN Al Hussein, King of the Hashemite Kingdom of Jordan. Meron siyang lettering na Jordan words. Ang engraver naman ay si Robert Elderton. At ito naman guys ang ating likuran, ang reverse. Loner disk or inner disk contains the value in the center of a circle. At meron siyang lettering guys na the Hashemite Kingdom of Jordan 1/2 dinar. Meron siyang edge na plain at ang kanyang mint naman ay Royal Mint Land Treason United Kingdom 1968 ang kanyang date. 1421 year 2000 49%. Meron siyang price na 23 pesos ang very good, 31 pesos ang fine, 40 pesos ang very fine, 93 pesos ang extra fine, at 190 pesos ang kanyang about uncirculated, 190 pesos din ang kanyang uncirculated. So galing yan ba guys sa ating source of information sa inamista.com. At naka-display rin ito guys sa ating selling online sa EB guys ng 15.54 US dollars. So sa Pilipinas guys nagkakalaga ng 880 pesos and 18 centavos. So napakataas ang presyo guys sa ating selling online sa EB guys. So yan ang nakuha nating impormasyon guys dito sa ating 1/2 dinar ng Jordan. Maraming salamat sa panonood guys at God bless sa ating lahat.